They say that everybody's gotta work for a living. Man, you try telling that to a brother. You wanna work? You try your best to get a job. But when they give you that look that says, you ain't working here, boy, what are you supposed to do? This moment in my life, what can I say? Problem after problem, vans in the shop, had to get a rental, money was going thin. Man, I guess stuff happens.
No, you won't believe it. There's a line of people outside right now just waiting for a job. Yeah, I actually gotta go. Hi. So, according to MicroStar's HR company, they are not sending the shuttle to pick you or your teammates up because those product lines just got suspended.
You kidding me? Seriously?
Yeah, I mean, our agency's contract with them has a guaranteed 2-week notice of project termination, so we're able to issue you and the others a paycheck for all of this week and half of next week. But yeah, I'm really sorry.
Damn. You ain't got nothing else I could jump on?
Jobs in your skill set? I'm afraid not. Not yet. These tech companies are all downsizing, so it's getting really tricky, but if you want to wait, I'll do some digging.
Yeah, okay. I can wait. I got some time.
Okay.
Whoa! Hey!
Oh, shit!
Yo! What the hell, woman? Didn't you see a black man walking in broad daylight?
Damn, I'm terribly sorry. I honestly didn't see you back here. Are you okay?
Lucky for you.
Damn, no way. Are you performing at this car show? Are you the Thaartist Kali?
That's it. What's your name?
I'm Alisson, but my friends call me Allie.
Shoot, I was just out here passing out these flyers. For the car show.
I sing and rap.
Really? Okay.
Well, I'm trying to be a singer, and I do it at home, and my friends, they say I'm pretty good. You've seen my car. The back end of it. My bad. I really want the car in the show. I really want to be in that car show. And I was just talking to my boyfriend, but he's my ex now. He just broke up with me on the phone. But he was telling me...
Hold on, wait a minute. I mean, do you really want to be in this car show Rivalry, though?
Yeah, I know people, and I can get my car in it.
Okay.
I know how to sing, and I can write.
Okay.
And...
Whoa, slow down. First, you ain't even apologized for almost running me over with the car.
No, I know. I'm so sorry. I apologize. I just went through that breakup, and I was just...
You know what? It's okay. I got you. Don't worry. Here's the car to the studio. My people will hit you. They'll schedule an audition, and then we'll go from there. We'll talk about the car show.
Okay.
Is that cool?
Yeah.
All right. Wait a minute. There's almost one accident today. We don't need another.
All right. Thank you.
All right, cool.
Right, well, you heard all of that. These tech companies are just not biting. Are you sure you can't do any other warehouse jobs?
No can do. You said they're all the way out in Puyallup, and I can't get all the way out there, because I have no gas to get out there.
Don't blame you. I mean, I'll keep trying other tech companies. Maybe we'll get lucky with a smaller one, but I can't guarantee anything. I'll give you a call if anything becomes available, and be sure to stop by Kelly's desk for that MicroStar cancellation paycheck. I'm really sorry.
Damn, all right then. Thank you.
Don't tell me you got laid off again and they ain't got nothing else.
Well, the product line got shut down, and they said that they ain't got nothing else today, that they'll call me when they got something.
What are we supposed to do, Deonte? We running out of money. No gas, food, or money for daycare.
I mean, at least they gave me a week and a half up front on the cancellation. But hey, don't stress. Everything's gonna be all right. We just gotta be patient. Things don't always happen when we want it to, but we gonna get there, I promise you that.
Spare me the promises, Deonte. When are you gonna stop treating it like this is a game? We sleeping in a van in a parking lot at the beach. That ain't a way to live. Either you do whatever it takes to get it together, or I will.
It'd be so easy to get angry with Deja, but honestly, she's right. Do whatever I gotta do, huh? Yeah, she's got no idea how true that was just about to get.